Hello, beautiful children. I've got a story that I bought to read aloud to you. It's called It's Raining, It's Pouring, We're Exploring, and it's by Polly Peters. Let's get this story started. What on earth can we three do? Brother, sister, cousin, too. Just our luck outside it's pouring, wet and windy, dull and boring. All our outdoor plans for play are ruined by the rain today. Huh! Sigh, moan, whinge, fuss, groan. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We've decided what we'll be. Explorers, that's the game we'll play. We'll make it up along the way. Laugh, clap, ho, ho, chuckle, cheer. Let's go. First, we'll need a sturdy boat with mast and sail, and off we'll float. A special hat, a telescope, a trusty dog, and length of rope. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We're explorers off to sea. We've got provisions, we're all set. We even found a fishing net. With ancient map and spade in hand, we are for finding treasure when we land. We've all jumped in and sail along, 3 explorers, bold and strong. Hooray! Yell with glee, hurrah, shout, yippee! Before we reach the open sea, we must drift down the estuary. We look around for sights and views and vital treasure, hunting clues. Search, watch, seek, gaze, goggle, peek. What's that there? Let's run around, weigh the anchor, look around. Yes, we spy a secret cave. We'll squeeze in quietly, feeling brave. All together now. 1, 2, 3. We're exploring. Shh, silently. It's cramped in here. It's dark and small, with hardly any room at all. We feel around in every nook and find a shiny coin. Look! But suddenly outside we hear a fearsome noise that's moving near. A charging elephant! Watch out, run fast! Come on, let's go, we shout. All together now. 1, 2, 3. We're escaping speedily. We lead that beast a merry chase through trees and swamps to find the place we left our boat. We grab the oars, jump in, and head for far off shores. Gasp, gulp, huff, phew, pant, puff. Now, on our treasure map, it's clear an island should be somewhere near. Look left, look right, look up, surprise! Steep cliffs soar before our eyes. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We're rock climbing carefully. We clamber up the long, hard climb and pause for breath from time to time. Not far to go, we're nearly there. We lie and breathe the clean, cool air. I see the one child using an inhaler. I can relate. That wind we've had lately has really been upsetting my asthma. It's growing chilly, cold and damp. Night is falling. Let's make camp. Through the trees and straight ahead, a clearing where we'll make our bed. Exploring's tiring work. We yawn good night, sleep tight until the dawn. Snore, shuffle, snooze, doze, sigh, zzz. Morning, it's a brand new day. Let's be up and on our way. But first, there's something that we need a set of wheels to put on speed. A truck's the only way to travel over stones and bumpy gravel. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We're exploring lumpily. Bash, boing, bump, crash, tinkle, thump. We've driven miles, but up ahead we have to go on foot instead. Undergrowth and thorny bramble tangle round us as we scramble. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We're exploring scratchily. Phew! After that, we need a drink. Where to find one, stop and think. What's behind this rocky wall? What luck! A tumbling waterfall. Slurp, slosh, slop, spill, splash, splosh. A perfect pool for swimming, too, with dreamy depths of deepest blue. All together now, 1, 2, 3. We're exploring splashily. Finally, we're getting near. Our map says X marks treasure here. A secret cavern lies due west, and in it sits a secret chest. But this is on forbidden ground. Step carefully. Don't make a sound. Gently lift and open wide. But that's not treasure there inside. We yelp and squeal, we shriek and shout as 20 hissing snakes jump out. Quick, we need a change of plan to take us back where we began. This way, that way, moving fast, we set our sail for home at last. Trot, whiz, vroom, paddle, splash, zoom. Land ahoy, we're nearly there. Yummy smells drift on the air. And what's that funny sound of rumbling? Rumbling? Tired explorers. Tummies grumbling. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Exploring's hungry work, you see. Exhausted now, on hands and knees, we track those tempting smells with ease. Hooray, the door is open wide, and we spy treasure treasure there inside. We'll creep along and in we'll burst. No way, says Dad, you'll tidy first. Sulk, huff, pout, no way out. Come on then, quickly, no delay. We'll clear it up, put things away, zoom halfway round the world like that, and do it in 3 minutes flat. Crunch, scrunch, crash, clank, rattle, bash. Looks like both Mom and Dad are working there in the kitchen. Now we're ready. Time to munch our glorious explorer's lunch. From south to north and west to east, there is no better treasure feast. Munch, yum, slurp, crunch. That was a cute one. I hope you enjoyed it. The It's Raining, It's Pouring, We're Exploring. There are fun games that we can play if we use our imagination. I hope you have a good day, and God bless you.